Hello everyone, welcome to Borthakur's IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for APSC and UPSC coaching. Today I am here with another session of the newspaper analysis for the Assam Tribune, dated 6th of March 2021. Here we have also provided the link of the e-paper in the description box so that you can download the paper from there. Don't forget to like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel. The next news is from the editorial section. Tar jitu news hoise etu is a COVID scare, heading to hoise COVID scare. A lot of people, a lot of employees of the AOD, Assam Oil Division of IOCL Digboy, are infected with the coronavirus, and a couple of them has also succumbed to this disease. It has been seen that the COVID-19 scare has resurfaced in the state, but even though people are dying, manhor majot spread hoi ase, kintu amar majot jitu hojagota ekomoyot asile hetu etia komi goise. People have stopped maintaining the preventive measures. They have stopped following the rules that has been guided by our government and state government, central government, as well as World Health Organization. Jibur preventive measures asile jeneke mask use kora, adikali apnaloke etia ulai gole dekhibo je use kore mask nokora nohoy, kintu mane sobe use nokore. Social distancing or namot to etia to social distancing nohai hoi goise almost apnaloke dekhise. So this should not be the situation. Ami aru besi hojag hobo lagibo, ami aru besi careful hobo lagibo. And Gujrator pra recently Gujrator pra manu ahisile actually to work there, and tate he manuhor pra spread hua buli koa goise, he manuhor pra spread hua buli bhabise, because there were COVID-19 positive people among the number of workers and officials who arrived in the state from Gujarat in connection with an overhauling operation of the IOC, and they there mane jitu dhorok airport e hok ba station ote hok tate teolukok bhalke check kora nasile, bhalke screening hua nasile teolokor tate, and he karne etu etia jodiu mane bemar to ase kintu manuhor majot iar hojagota komi goise etu dekhibole poa goise. Novel coronavirus or yate apnaloke dekhise novel coronavirus or picture ekhon apnaloke dekhise crown like structure hoy, he karne corona is a Latin word for crown, word meaning crown. So hetu yate picture to ase transmission period to ibla sobe jane eto kotha 2 to 14 days or thorok transmission period ase. Symptoms bilak ki ase hebilak ami dekhibole paisu. Then moving ahead, yate okoman hua goise coronavirus or bikhoye. It is a large family of virus that causes illness ranging from common cold to more severe ami SARS or kotha hunisu, MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, aru jitu severe acute respiratory syndrome hoy he bikhoye ami agote hunisilu. Heture eta type hoy current jitu hoy etu COVID-19 buli koa hoise. Corona word is মই যেটো already কলুৱে mention কৰিলুৱে, spikes or nisina, protein spikes or nisina eta envelope thake virus tur চাৰিওফালে, আৰু that gives an appearance of crown and hence the name corona. Okay, these viruses are zoonotic, that means they are transmitted from animals to humans. Etu Wuhanot jetia first ahisile tetia ami gom paisilu je bats or pra aha badulir pra aha buli bemarto spread hua buli jona hoisile. Zoonotic bur enekwa viruses hoy jibur transmit hoy from animals to human. Okay, aru diagnosis keneke kora jay আমি জানোৱে RT-PCR যেটো ৰিভাৰ্স ট্ৰান্সক্ৰিপশন পলিমাৰেজ চেইন ৰিঅ্যাকশন হয় এটো থ্ৰুদি ডায়াগনোজ কৰা যায়, যত জেনেটিক ফিংগাৰপ্ৰিন্ট এটা টেকনিক আছে, হেতু আইডেন্টিফাই কৰি পেলাই ভাইৰাছটো প্ৰেজেন্ট আছে নে নাই আপোনাৰ বডিত হেতু ডায়াগনোজ কৰা হয়। যোৱা বছৰ 24th of March পৰা আমাৰ প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদীয়ে, অনাৰেবল প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদীয়ে এনাউন্স কৰিছিলে a 21-day nationwide lockdown across the country. So এইখিনি অলপ ব্রিফ এটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন হয় করোনা ভাইরাসৰ বিষয়ে। ইয়াৰ লগতে এতিয়া ৰাইট নাও আমি ভ্যাকসিনেশন স্টেজলে আহি গৈছো। কান্ট্রি আমাৰ গোটেই কান্ট্রিতে ভাৰতবৰ্ষতে ভ্যাকসিনেশন প্ৰসেস স্টার্ট হৈ গৈছে। Indiaৰ যেটো এপ্ৰুভ কৰা কোভিড-19 ভ্যাকচিনস হে দুটা হৈছে কোভিশিল্ড আৰু কোভ্যাক্সিন এই দুটাৰ এতিয়া বৰ্তমান ভ্যাকচিনেশন চলি আছে The next news is important from Assam environment point of view. Assam Biorefinery Private Limited, to ABRPL, they are likely to start in association with some Finnish collaborators. They are likely to start the second generation of bamboo refinery ethanol plant, which is going to produce bioethanol, and that will be helpful because they serves as an alternate for petrol. Okay. Bioethanol যেটো হয় হেতু এটা process আছে যেটো এটা মই যেটো procedure কেনেকে prepare কৰে হেতু মই দেখাইছো next slide খনত and it will become this particular plant will become the largest consumer of raw bamboo in Assam. Jiketa bamboo species use hoy heketar naam hoise jati makal and bhaluka bamboos hetu apunaloke oloman mon koribo species ar naam keta. And anyway bamboo are important bamboo plantations are important because they helps in maintaining the oxygen and carbon dioxide level of the environment, and their roots they helps in controlling erosion. They acts as windbreaks bur enekwa hoy jone speed khub besi heavy speed of jetu wind hoy hetu control kore. They break the chain and therefore they helps in controlling soil erosion and noise and climate buffers pure at a particular area climate proof kori diye. They act sometimes they act as sponge which retains water and they will release it at a point when it is needed. Tenukwa dhorone climate buffers bilak thake, and they also helps in absorbing the biodiversity loss. Okay, and yar logote jikhini main growing areas hoy bamboo growing areas of Assam, they are Katar, Karbi Anglong, North Kachar Hills, Lakhimpur. Ikhini yate mention kora hoise. Yar logote Meghalaya, Nagaland, yar porao ami help lom to get the desired amount of যেটো bamboo hoy jikhini amak lagibo. Every year approximately 2 crore bamboo poles will be used, so hetur karone ami amar neighboring states oru help long. Next slide, here we have shown the process in which bioethanol will be produced from bamboo. Okay, and blending bioethanol that will be prepared, it will with petrol will reduce our dependency on fossil fuels. Moi hetu agote mention korisilue aru yar logote ইয়াৰ কিছুমান বাই প্ৰডাক্টস যেটো এটো প্ৰসেসটো যেটা প্ৰিপেয়াৰ হ'ব তাৰ লগতে ইয়াৰ কিছুমান বাই প্ৰডাক্টস যেনে এসিটিক এসিড বায়োকোল ফাৰফিউৰেল এবোৰ আপোনাৰ ইউজ কৰিব পৰা যাব বেলেগ বেলেগ কামত ইউজ কৰিব পৰা যাব বায়োকোল যেটো মই কলো that is considered as a green power is a subset of renewable resources ore eta subset hoy green power aru this helps in reducing the pollution level, and that's why nowadays ami etu janue je fossil fuels otke besi renewable sources of energy fale atia ami besi inclined hoy goisu. We try to use renewable sources of energy which helps us which are environment friendly. Okay, and yate eta process etu jetu saccharification process boli etu jetu dekhise apunaluke, this is a process where complex carbohydrates is one of the sources of energy. It is available in food, and yare jibur units thake monosaccharide, polysaccharide, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Saccharification is a process from where complex carbohydrates are reduced to the monomeric unit. Okay, so this saccharification is one of the process which is used for conversion of bamboo into bioethanol. And the next news is Assam produced red rice consignment flagged off to US. First export consignment of red rice which is produced in Assam was flagged off to the US on Thursday. Etu red rice hoy etu deep water rice buliu koa hoy DWR aru yar local name to hoise baudhan. Ami hokolbe khunisu ei naam to, which is a very rich source of iron. Around 68-69% of iron thake ei red rice tut, and it is grown in Brahmaputra Valley without the use of any chemical fertilizer. And deep water rice buli ei karone koa hoy because flood jetia flood situation thake ami janu Assam kiman flood prone hoy hetu situation jetia maximum crops amar destroy hoi jay কিন্তু এই ডিপ ওয়াটার রাইস যেটো ভেরিয়েন্ট হয় বাউ ধান এটু কিছু পরিমাণে ইয়ার যেটো ক্রপস হয় এগুলো ড্যামেজ নহয় ইনফ্যাক্ট ইট হেল্পস ইট দ্যাট কন্ডিশন ইজ ফেভারেবল ফর গ্রোথ অফ ডিপ ওয়াটার রাইস অ্যান্ড দ্যাটস ওয়াই it comes to the rescue of the people or flood hit people আৰু অসমৰ মানুহৰ কাৰণে এটো এটা ৰিচ সোর্স অফ আইৰনো হয় ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ভ্যালিত উইদাউট এনি কেমিক্যাল ফার্টিলাইজার বা যিকোনো বেলেগ কেমিক্যালস ইউজ নোহোৱাকে এটো produce kora jai, and it forms an integral part of the Assamese traditional dishes. আমি শুনিয়ে থাকো বাউ ধানৰ নামটো শুনুৱে আৰু এক্সপেক্টেড যিখিনি প্লেস হয় যিখিনি জায়গাত এটু মানে গ্রো হয় হেতু ব্রহ্মপুত্র ফ্লাড প্লেইনসত দে আর Jorhat, Golaghat and Lakhimpur are among the common districts where this particular variant is a major produce. Next we have the questions. There are 5 questions in total. 3 are from prelims perspective and the last 2 questions are important from mains point of view. So just have a look. Question number 1, who appoints the State Election Commissioner? Question number 2, which among the following is not a OPEC plus nation? A. Azerbaijan, B. Bahrain, C. Republic of Congo, D. Kazakhstan. Question number 3, who was the Prime Minister of India when Look East policy was launched? Number 4, eketa question 4 or 5 mains or perspective or prahoy. Question number 4 is analyze the challenges in the development and distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. Question number 5, explain the significance of Election Commission of India in Indian democracy. So apnaloke attempt koribo ei question keta jeketa short questions hoy from 1 to 3 you can mention the answers in the comment section. And 4 and 5 or answers keta apnaloke practice koribo jonabo kenikwa lagile jodi kiba doubt thake tetia holo hudibo. And thank you so much. Tomorrow I'll again meet you all with another session of the Assam Tribune newspaper analysis. Till then, keep learning and educating yourself. Take care. Thank you so much.